And them have one seat.
Where me come from, no J.A.
Yeah, we finally get a parking spot. Right, you know, finally. So, yeah. We're there in the roundabout to the people. The roundabout in right now. Rosie, can't even see you. Yo, the serious people, serious. But we got it there so because we head go airport and that won't work. We don't get too far from the action.
Yeah.
So the right now the MIG light, right, you know, and that is great. You see it. What time now? 10 minutes to? 5 minutes to?
10 minutes to,
10
right,
minutes
the first time.
So not even make sense to eat, right, you know. Might as well just wait. Then you go eat 10 minutes, you can't take 10 minutes to eat that. You have just might as well just wait till the what you call it? The fireworks, the fire show go on. And then you go eat. But I'm glad, yo, me I taste the place ram every angle. Me I go out the door and walk, look like me couldn't see. Oh, the people there. Need a light.
That weird.
That girl, yeah, I asked which part downtown there. I guess which part we there.
Not
downtown?
No.
How we there?
Must be New Kingston.
Yeah, most New Kingston you there. I don't understand. Oh, full ram. And imagine you're saying that even the art or everything is gone.
Yeah.
And the place so full. We're not going further. So we reach our spot right you know. You see me I stay and I'm not going further. You see look like a clear spot. So I wait for the countdown. If you're loving the video and you're loving the vibes, please remember to hit the like button and press subscribe. That's so when I make a delay a while ago. Yeah. Oh, down there bright. still a go. We still a go. Yeah, almost 6 minutes. Yo, what up? Oh, that's pretty. Oh, wow. Oh, I grand finale that. I grand finale that. Yo. Yo. Oh, I wish I knew what they look more entertaining than what they say. Whoa! Whoa! Good job. A 10-minute show can reach 8 minutes plus now. Oh. Grand finale, oh, grand finale. Most.
That's the judge. That's the switching. People have already just get
Whoa.
People go to the
Whoa, whoa. Gone. 1 hour. That's it.
People are looking, that's it.
Yep. That is it. Everybody are gonna start move right now. Instantly people ready for move. But yeah, there's a sea of people there behind them right now move. John over made.
Want to take a picture of the boat of
Right on the ocean front. And that was a spectacular show. And everybody are finding vehicle. So we are doing the same right now. We're going to joke thing because people are moved. Let's go park again. The vibe people are move out already. You know. This is gonna be a hectic drive out, you know. A whole night drive out this, you know. Cheese and peas Eh? Listen. See it, see it.
Oh, we have to go cross again.
No, see it right here.
So we now have to cross.
Oh yeah. Actually the things start get chaotic already, you know.
Because once
Start
you
get
see first,
chaotic.
they can.
Yeah.
Someone is smart, you make sure you touch the
Yeah.
guy. No sense again.
It a go pay. It a go pay. Because you go in a car and accept none of that shit, you know.
True.
No dog shit.
Weird.
Yeah. Smell like holy pa dog shit over there. But yo, look where me I go. And it was a great vibes. Hey, I'm glad we never decide so we are go we out so.
We that is so far, yeah.
We don't see nothing right to see here. Now the man move, man gone. Yeah.
I mean say we could have carried my stool, but I chose to come late.
Yeah, we don't need no stool. Yeah, see sign here. Welcome to downtown Kingston. This is where we're at. We have to say to the vlog.
I enjoyed it. It was really fun experience.
Okay.
Yes, it was beautiful.
Yeah man, the place nice. Oh, the youth them out and them still I enjoy themselves. See me, but right now I tell you the truth, I don't think me in the ears. Cause watch ya. See who sweet there? The bike man them good. Should I bike ride? Watch ya. Traffic staff from around this, you know. I'm going to make some of this runner.
For how long?
So you want to go in night?
I want to eat.
So that what we do? We're going to eat with food and go and relax. I stop a Lucky Crab, but I'm not even ready to get a video in there for sure now in the state. But it's on Kingston Spring Road, you know? Yeah. So I go and I was still downtown. Not even get a chance to see, just I get the chance now. But I'm not telling a lie, it was a great vibes. Full joy at the moment. I'm really glad we never go on airport waterfront. Cause we wanna see the fireworks at all. Yes, watch good here go down in our food there. Mash it up. Let me see what I go on there. Shall I take the next one? That's our curry. Oh, shall I take the next one? What name?
Sweet chili?
Sweet chili, yeah. That would have been better. That's how it go. Give thanks anyway. No, a different something. The next one we see they have red light. Can't even see it. It's not good in a lighting. But yeah, if you can see that little light there. This will pick up more than one light. Like that. It disappear. It disappear. Wait there. It disappear. Light disappear. Just see a light a while ago. The thing disappear. A joke. Oh, gonna be a strange thing in the sky, you know. I tell you know, people, about the things where I witness growing up. That's true. Because I'm not too talk. Those people close to me, we know. You see, enough of the things when I see people are talk about now. I've been aware of it years ago. That's what I say. Yeah. So I don't say it's set, you know. One more thing, people, if you never know. They are the roundabout in a downtown, right on the waterfront. And it's basically like a small little park. Yeah, it's a uni-purpose thing, because if you look straight ahead, that is a sculpture, and you have some design right around it, and you have the walkway, and so the next walk part right there. So it's a place where you can come and park up over that side across the road. You can walk come here and walk along the road and look on the water, because the water is right across over that side. Yes, my people, my thing say, we dey reach out of the traffic, but a joke me and make a beer traffic me buck up in here. Watch out. And look behind me. Look there. Traffic dey right around. People, we just turn out of the traffic and watch out. The place is empty, look behind me. Empty. Watch out, and everybody stuck in the traffic. Come like them not realize. So them couldn't do this. Yo, what a difference. Eh? You nah come out of that for no might as well come up here so.
I want me come from, no J.A. I'm a birthplace, I want me play A. Stop by the river, on a Sunday. Then me drive, go the beach, down a Mobe. In a Portland, I want me reach there. But no worry cause everything safe there. Next door, St. Thomas next day. Me have a chill spot, Morant Bay. She rock so, she dip so. She mix dance up with calypso. Where she move could have support me hip so. Oh, the culture and the lifestyle so sweet so. Launch on the beach, but me not tan. Turquoise seas with the white sand. Now the lifestyle me live for me innocent tan. Like everywhere me visit in at the island. Pull up on the road right at the jerk pan. Me one piece of chicken, she one piece of ham. Give me 2 bread and 2 festival. And a 1 rest drive for my hole in my hand. Then me go link up the weed man. I when give me cost about 3 grand. Just get a car for reach Carindon. A J.A. lifestyle this man. I want me come from, no J.A. I'm a birthplace, I want me play A. Stop by the river, on a Sunday. Then me drive, go the beach, down a Mobe. In a Portland, I want me reach there. But no worry cause everything safe there. Next door, St. Thomas next day. Me have a chill spot, Morant Bay. She rock so, she dip so. She mix dance up with calypso. Where she move could have support me hip so. Oh, the culture and the lifestyle so sweet. Say I'm a green novel in a pretty
Wow. And them have one seat where you can sit down and take picture. Jeez, I want me over here so nice so.
That she get from the king. My pattern and my flow, you know me bring from within. Anywhere me go, you know I saw me do me thing. When me not the road, Kingston, my backbone. From the pretty bright lights to the big billboard. From downtown straight, go back to uptown. When me see me now my class, and my shots, then you know what? I want me come from, no J.A. I'm a birthplace, I want me play A. Stop by the river, on a Sunday. Then me drive, go the beach, down a Mobe. In a Portland, I want me reach there. But no worry cause everything safe there. Next door, St. Thomas next day. Me have a chill spot, Morant Bay. She rock so, she dip so. She mix that.